Good morning, friends. In the previous chapters, in the previous video, we have covered the inner join, left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. In this video, we will conclude our join chapter with the Cartesian product. So when called on datasets of types T and U, it will return a dataset of TU pairs, all pairs of elements. So in our example here, I already got my test case ready. So just to give it's a Cartesian product is very simple. So what it will do is that for each of the customers and the bills that we have, it will start with first, say, customer ID 1 and the customer name as John. And it will create a pairs for this one John along with all the bills that we have. So it means that John would be paired with all the bills, which are with 8, 2, 9, 6. They are total, I think, seven bills here, 7 bills pair here. So John would be paired with all of them. Similarly, for the second iteration, it would be uh, customer ID 2 with Mary would be paired with all the bills, all the 7 bills which are printed out here. Similarly, it will do it for all of them. So the total number of pairs which would be created would be 5 multiplied by 7, which is 35. This is what the Cartesian product does. It's very much similar to what it's done in Spark. In SQL. It's very much similar to that. Okay, so let's start our writing this unit test case. So I will again use customers pair, and dot Cartesian, just call this method, and bills pair, Control Alt P, and I will just mark it as Cartesian join RDD. Okay, and I will mark it as final as well. Okay, so always a good practice to mark all our variables as final, which makes it immutable. Okay, so we have got, as we can see, that we have got a pair here, which is having integer and string, which is the customer ID and the name, and then the product as for all whatever we have got for all the bills that we have, all the bills pair we have associated with this. I mean, it's not about whether the first customer is having any bills or not. It will be pairing it with all the bills that are present here. That is Cartesian product. So we'll just not do anything else. I mean, because it's just a product for all the pairs. I'll just print it out for each, and then I will, instead of that, I will just copy it from here, system.out.println. Maybe this should be good enough. Okay, and that's it. I think I'll just copy this. So I think it's the simplest of all that we have covered so far. Cartesian will be just pairing everything which is in the customer pairs along with the bills pair. It's a Cartesian product. So let's run this and see it work. We expect that it should be printing 35 because for each, I think, 5 customers, we have got 7 bills pairs. So 5 multiplied by 7 should be 35. Okay. So it's running now. Let me fast forward it. Okay, so it has completed. And as we can see that for the customer first John, we have got 7 entries here for each of the bills that we have. So let me go here again, and as you can see, yeah, make some more space. Okay. So for the first customer, which is customer ID 1 and John, we can see that it has been paired with all the bills. So it has been paired with 8, 2, 9, 6, up till here till 7. Similarly, it will iterate through all of them. Again, for Mary, will be having all the 7, and similarly for Peter and all. So this is about Cartesian product. It will just map each of the customers with each of the bills that are associated. So guys, this concludes our all the joins that we have in our Spark RDD. As we have seen that it's very much similar to SQL. And this concludes our chapter 13, Spark RDD joins. So our next chapter is on Spark RDD shuffles. Shuffles are associated with the white transformations, which actually requires the data to be shuffled across all the partitions present. And it's a very heavy operation. It's quite CPU and memory intensive. And these are the all the white transformation that we have. This is what we are going to cover in chapter 14. So see you all in the next video.